Hi, Philip Griffith here. Can you believe it? Christmas is just 2 weeks away. If you're searching for a meaningful gift, consider an archival photo-safe storage box for your printed photos. When selecting a storage box, look for one that passes the Photographic Activity Test, PAT. This ensures the materials are truly safe for long-term preservation. Remember, even products labeled acid-free can still contain up to 11% acid, which can damage your photos over time. Including smaller sub-boxes inside the main storage box is a great way to organize your photos. Use divider cards to separate and label groups of pictures for easier access. A quality archival storage box not only protects cherished memories, but also helps you organize them, making it easier to share and pass those stories down to future generations. Have questions about choosing the right storage box? Leave a comment or send me a DM. I'd be happy to help.